Hello. Hello, everybody. Tonight, we're doing one video. Even if it's a short one, because I'm tired, okay? I want to get some sleep. Tomorrow, I have an interview for a potential job. And so I have I have a decent amount of editing to do tomorrow as well, and so I just want to kind of sleep and be rested up for tomorrow. Once I get the interview done, the editing done, stuff like that, I will feel much better. But without any more lollygagging, let's get into XML Schema, I guess. Schema. Can we turn this up? Oh, I could just turn this up in my head. Describing a contract as to XML schema describing a contract as to what is acceptable. XML describing a contract as to what is acceptable. XML confusing. XML schema description of the legal format of an XML document expressed in terms of constraints on the structure and content of documents. Expressed in terms of constraints. Description of the legal format of an XML document expressed in terms of constraints on the structure and content of documents. Often used to specify a contract between systems. My system will only accept XML that conforms to this particular schema. If a particular piece of XML meets the specification of the schema, it is said to validate. Interesting. That is interesting. I didn't think about this side of things, about like if a program is talking to another also, real quick, if you see that I have like a bloody pinky, it's my hands are like super dry and I need to put some lotion on, so forgive me. But yeah, if you see that, you might not be able to see it because it's dark, but yeah, it's there. I need to put some lotion on. But if you have a program talking to a different program and it's going well and something breaks, then it's like, whose fault was it? So there's like a, shake hands, sort of like, we'll agree to keep it this way. XML validation. Validator, XML document, XML schema, contract. What? Person, last name Severance, last name K, age 17, age, date born, April 17, 2001. Date born, person. Schema contract, complex. Type XS. Complex type name equals person. Sequence. Element name, last name, type. XS string. XS element name, age, type. Integer. Okay. Element name, date born, type. Access date. Sequence, complex. I understand the concept, you know, but it's still confusing. Because it's like I mean, I don't know what XS means. But I get like the framework of it. It's like, okay, an integer needs to be here, last name needs to go there, string needs to go here, you know. Oh, okay. Many XML schema languages document type definition, DTD. That's like wikipedia.org, wiki document type definition, standard generalized markup language, ISO, SGML, wikipedia.org/wiki/SGML, XML schema from W3C, XSD, wikipedia.org, wiki.xml schema. Okay. XSD. Oh, the green one. XSD XML schema, W3C spec. We will focus on the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C version. It is often called W3C schema because schema is considered generic. More commonly, it's called XSD because the file names end in XSD. Jeepers, there's a lot of slides today. XSD structure. So we got elements, sequences, and complex types. So complex types, elements, complex type, sequence, elements, sequence, complex type. Sorry, my brain is. Mm. What? So this is like checking this? What? Okay, so that's the schema. Okay. Massacres? Customer type. Okay. Start. Element name. Start type. Date. Start date. Start date. Element name. Start date. Type. Access date. Time. Don't know what that is. Price 999.5. Price. Element name. Price. Type. Decimal. Okay. Element name. Let's see. 30 weeks. Element name. Weeks. Type. Integer. It is common to represent time in UTC/GMT, given that servers are often scattered around the world. So T means like time. So that's the Z. So why is T? The day is followed. The D is followed by the T. Why not time? Oh, here we go. ISO A601 time or date time format. Year, month, day. Time of day. T just, I guess, separates it. I mean, we can think of it as the T is the beginning of the time. Time zone typically specified in UTC GMT rather than local time zone. Nothing changes? Oh. The data doesn't change. My word. UTF-8. Schema. Complex type sequence. Name, recipient. House, street, town. Enumeration. Value equals FR, value is DE, value yes, value K. So this is without the schema. What do you say? Use equals. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Oh, so that is the child. Yes, is the child. Hmm. Oh no. Oh no. We haven't been hearing me. They were hearing the... Why not? You haven't been hearing the headphone audio. You've been able to hear me. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Why haven't you been able to hear the... Oh, I hate it when this happens. I thought I was good to go. I didn't check it. Okay.
Tag on the outside.
Okay, there we go. I'm so sorry. Shoot. Sorry about that. Shoot, I wonder about the other ones. I wonder if some of my past streams haven't been able to be heard. Shoot. Sorry.
Side. Here is a different example. In this one, again, we're using triple quoted string. We always have a single tag on the outside, and then I have a complex type of users, and in it there are 2 user objects. So this is kind of like a list, right? So this is more than one of these things. So this user can occur more than one time. And again, we take this, we pass that into from string and get back an object that represents the name stuff. Does not necessarily have to be the same as this outer tag. Just a variable. This could just as be easily as X if I wanted. So now what I'm going to say is, hey stuff, I want to find the tag, the path, users/user. I want to find all tags that match users/user. So that's going to give me a list of 2 tags, 1 tag, 2 tags in a list. Tag, tag. Oops. So 2 tags. Now I can print out how many I get. That'll be 2 in this case because I got 2 tags. And then I can actually iterate through the list. All right, so I can iterate through the list. So this item is going to iterate first to this tag, and that tag now it's.
The screen is kind of freaking out. Not this one really, but the one on the right side.
It's like in the previous example, we can look for the name tag within there and pull the text out. So we pull that text out, find the name tag, and then within that find the text. And we can find the ID tag and pull the text of that out. So that pulls out this 001 and.
What the heck is 001? Oh, right here.
I've scribbled too much. And then we can item, which is, this is item, is that whole tag, dot get X. So that gets the attribute, that gets the 2. That 2 comes down here. Okay? And then item goes to the next one, because item is looping through, so item iterates down to that one and pulls out the name.text, the ID.text, and the attribute.x, and pulls all those pieces out. So this is the basic pattern. You saw one where
name,
where you're tearing through, so item iterates down to that one and pulls out the name.text, the ID.text, and the attribute.x, and pulls all those pieces out. So this is the basic pattern. You saw one where that pulls out this 001, and I've scribbled that whole tag, dot get X. So that gets the attribute, that gets the 2. That 2 comes down here. It's down to that one, the ID.text, and the attribute.x, and pulls all those pieces out. So this is the basic pattern. You saw one where you're tearing into a single thing, and here you're tearing into something that is expected to occur more than one time. And so that's a quick summary of how you talk to XML in Python. Up next, we're going to talk about the other serialization format, JavaScript Object Notation.
Oh my word. This is a thick one. This is a thick one. What is XSD? This one, the W3C schema specification for XML. Yay! Okay. That is going to do it for me tonight, folks. My goodness, that was a thick one. Yeah, I don't know how much. I'm trying to just kind of gather bits. I don't know. I'm not trying to take in the whole. If we need to get into it more, we will. But for now, I'm not too worried about it. But Sorry again about the audio for most of the video, most of the stream, but I'm glad I got it turned out eventually. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have a prayer request. I'd love to know how I can be praying for you guys. But for now, that is going to do it for me. Love God, love people, and I'll see you guys soon.